Bitcoin is sitting at $79,769, up 1.7% in the last 24 hours. But the overall picture is mixed as we break down the charts. Price action over the last 90 days shows a choppy sideways range, no clear higher highs or lower lows. We're bouncing between support near $76K and resistance around $80K, with volatility wide. On the daily chart, a MACD line is above the signal line and the histogram is positive. Momentum is building, but we've seen this before within the range. Buyers need to push price above resistance to confirm a breakout. Zooming out to weekly, MACD is also above signal with positive histogram. That's constructive for the longer term. This weekly bullish cross supports the daily picture, but weekly structure is sideways, so don't get too carried away. The monthly chart shows a clear downtrend channel with both resistance and support sloping down. Price is currently near the middle of the channel. A breakout above the top rail would flip the macro thesis bullish, but we're not there yet. On the daily chart, RSI is at 54, neutral, no overbought or oversold extremes. Stochastic fastline has crossed up over the slow line, suggesting short-term buyers are stepping in, but it's in the overbought zone, so a cooling off is possible soon. Key support sits at $75,790. That's the 23.6% Fibonacci level from the swing low to ATH. Resistance is the ATH at $126K, but nearer resistance is the top of the range around $80,800. The macro backdrop is mixed. Core CPI came in hot at 3.2%, and FOMC dissenters pushed back against rate cuts. That's a headwind for risk assets. On the crypto side, Strategy pauses BTC buying ahead of earnings, and ETF inflows are resuming but incomplete. Traders are hedging, only a 23% chance of $90K this month per Polymarket. Michael Saylor signaled a pause on BTC buying ahead of Tuesday's earnings report. Wall Street expects a loss for Q1, so markets will watch if Strategy holds or sells any Bitcoin. This introduces short-term uncertainty. The Federal Reserve's FOMC statement showed dissenters opposing rate cut hints, while core CPI hit 3.2%. This hawkish tone keeps a lid on crypto rallies, as higher rates reduce risk appetite. Bitcoin erased weekly losses to reach its highest weekly close since January near $79K. It's a positive short-term signal, but needs confirmation above $80K to sustain momentum. Overall, BTC is neutral with a slight bullish bias from momentum, but the monthly downtrend and macro headwinds keep us cautious. Watch for a break above $80K to target $85K, or a drop below $75K could retest $72K. Top 3 by market cap. Bitcoin up 1.7%, Ethereum up 2.3%, and Tether flat. Biggest mover in the top 10 is Dogecoin up 3.9%, while Solana lagged with only 1%. That's it for today. Keep your charts close and your stops closer. See you tomorrow.